Looking for a powerful impact wrench that can handle the toughest jobs? Stick around as we dive into the DEWALT 961, a tool that promises to deliver exceptional torque and performance. The DEWALT 961 is a robust and well-designed impact wrench featuring a half-inch hog ring anvil that allows for quick and secure socket changes. Its ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip during prolonged use, and the durable construction is built to withstand the rigors of heavy-duty applications. The integrated LED work light is a thoughtful addition, illuminating dark workspaces to enhance visibility and precision. This impact wrench boasts impressive performance capabilities, delivering up to 1,200 foot-pounds of maximum fastening torque and 1,750 foot-pounds of breakaway torque, making it suitable for tasks such as large pipe flanges, wheel lugs, and concrete anchor bolt setting. The brushless motor enhances efficiency and extends the tool's lifespan. With 4 speed settings and a precision wrench mode, users can easily adjust the speed and torque to match the specific requirements of their projects, helping to prevent over-tightening and fastener runoff. However, it's important to note that the 961B is sold as a bare tool, meaning the battery and charger are not included and must be purchased separately. Additionally, some users have reported that the tool is on the heavier side, which could lead to fatigue during extended use. Priced at approximately $370, this model offers substantial value for professionals seeking a high-torque, reliable impact wrench. While the initial investment is significant, the tool's performance and durability justify the cost, especially for those who already own compatible DEWALT 20V Max XR batteries. In my experience, the DEWALT stands out as a powerful and versatile tool that can tackle demanding tasks with ease. If you're in the market for an impact wrench that combines strength, precision, and durability, be sure to check out the product links in the description below. So, what are the pros and cons of choosing this tool? Cons: battery and charger sold separately. Heavier weight may cause fatigue during extended use. Pros: high maximum torque for heavy-duty applications. Multiple speed settings with precision wrench mode. Durable construction with ergonomic design. Integrated LED light for improved visibility. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to check the product links in the description. Give us a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews.